So what's cool about my new under cabinet lighting is, see, it's all done. I don't want to clip these wires. I figured it was just easier to do that. Anyway, I have a dimmer switch with a sensor when you come into the kitchen. So I don't have to touch the light when I come into the kitchen. So technically, it'll be this bright when I walk in instead of this bright, which is really bright. So when I walk in, it'll be like this, which is really cool. Now I got to put everything away.
Motion sensor light switch works well and programmable, and you can just turn it off if you want. It works good and so far no problem. I like it.